So we ran across a bevy of phones in MIPS display of phones featuring MIPS technology. So we have the TCL smartphone that is powered by China Mobile. So of course, being that it's from China Mobile, a lot of these phones that you will not see in the U.S., but still they're pretty cool. Especially a phone that is called Phone. As you can see, it looks very similar to another phone available in the US that will remain unnamed. But there's a key difference. Phone runs Android. So, Robert, what form of Android is this phone running?
This is running Android 2.3. This is Gingerbread.
Okay.
And this phone is only available in China for obvious reasons. Right? We brought one into the U.S. just basically because it's so funny to look at it. Obviously, it's a well-known industrial design. Right? If you flip the phone up onto its end, this end, you'll see a well-known connector down there as well, which is exactly what you expect it to be. And the phone solved one other problem. The antennas on this phone are not in the band around the outside of the phone. They're actually where they should have been all along, inside the phone. So there's no loss of signal when you hold this phone and use it.
Oh my. So as you can see, we have the familiar Gingerbread interface with the customizable screens. What looks to be maybe TouchWiz on it, or maybe Sense.
Could be, I don't know. But the other thing about this phone is it's dual SIM.
Oh,
So
wow.
you can have two SIM cards in it. So you can have a SIM card, for example, for use in one country and a SIM card for use in another country, and select which one you're going to use, right? And they're full-size SIM cards. So all SIM cards work in this. This phone happens to have the same antennas as are needed for AT&T service in the United States. So if you had one of these in the United States, somehow gotten it, I don't know how you do that, you could put an AT&T SIM card in here and you would have AT&T phone service.
Another key difference the phone has from that other phone is that it does not have a glass display. It's actually an acrylic display, which makes it a lot lighter than the phone that will not be named. So again, this is the phone, not another phone. It's only available in China, and it is running Android 2.3 Gingerbread.
And I will tell you one other thing. We have thought about leaving these in a few bars in Silicon Valley just to have some fun with reviewers, because it would be really interesting to see what would happen if someone found one of these.
So if you find a phone and it's running Android, more often than not, you're using a phone and not the other phone.
And a phone with a MIPS processor in it.
A phone with a MIPS processor.